The Hockley pendant is a diamond-shaped, gold reliquary pendant dating from the early 16th century. The pendant was discovered in 2009 by 4-year-old James Hyatt while metal detecting in a field in Hockley, Essex, with his father, James Hyatt. The pendant is decorated on the front with an image of a female saint supporting a cross. The back of the pendant displays an image of the 5 holy wounds of Christ and contains a sliding panel covering an interior space, which originally held a relic. The pendant was officially declared treasure and was acquired by the British Museum. The Hockley pendant is a diamond-shaped gold pendant with an attached gold bail. It is 3 centimeters in length, weighs 1/3 of an ounce, and has a gold content of up to 73%. The front of the pendant is engraved with the image of a female saint carrying a cross. The cross is covered with marks that suggest drops of blood. Decorative foliage surround the central image. The figure is standing on a surface with a checkerboard design, indicating a tiled floor. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.